Hello everybody, today we will continue our training SQL training for beginners. Lesson 4. SQL select distinct statement. The SQL distinct statement is used to return only distinct different values. Inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different distinct values. Select distinct syntax. Select distinct column 1, column 2, column 3 from table name. This is for demo database. Below is a selection from the customers table in Northwind database: customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. See, for this column, for city and country, we have Mexico DF, Mexico DF. This is duplicate, and here also Mexico. Example: select the country from customers. So if we open our query, we'll write select country from customers. If we execute, how many result? 91. So we'll continue, we'll see what is our lesson. Now let us use the distinct keyword with the above select statement and see the result. Select distinct examples. The following SQL statement selects only the distinct value from the country column in the customer table. Our example here, if we write here so the before result is 91 rows. So if we execute, how many rows? Only 21. The following SQL statement lists the number of different distinct customer countries. Example: so if we write like this, so they didn't forget, select count if we are here use, here the result is 21 as I processed before. Great. Note, the example above will not work in Firefox and the Microsoft Edge because count distinct column is not supported in Microsoft Access database, Firefox and Microsoft each are using Microsoft Access in our example. Here is the work around for MS Access for your experience. Example, select count asterisk as distinct countries from select distinct country from customers. Here is our lesson today is finished. If you have any comment, just send for me, and don't forget to click subscribe and the bell. Thank you. Bye.